Are you wanting to start your own online business, but maybe you don't know exactly how to do it? Are you someone that wants to get paid instantly, have it directly deposited into whatever payment method you want, and start to generate commissions as soon and as easy as possible? Well, if that's you, you're in the right place, because what I'm going to share with you is exactly how to do that. So by the end of this video, you can go out there and start to generate money. Now, there's going to be a link directly below in the description. So at any point of this video, if you want to go further and get access to this entire business in a box, you can just go there and get more information. Now, right here, I'm inside of my Stripe account. I want to share just some results. So you can see this $900 payment came in, $900, $900, $600. I want to share with you what's possible, so you're going to be able to leverage the same exact thing and have faith knowing that it actually converts. Okay, so these payments are coming in like clockwork, just using the incredible simple online business that anyone can do worldwide in 2 hours or less per day with a Wi-Fi connection. I want to share with you just a little bit more results of other people, so you can see it's not just me. You can see right here, these people are inside of the community of this online business, getting amazing results as well. You can see Amy right here. She says, I did it. Okay, I just hit $50,000 in 3 months and 1 week. I'm crying, right? So she's incredibly excited, and she was able to do that. $900, my first sale this May. Okay, so $900 ding. We get paid instantly, okay, up to $900 with this online business, as you'll see a little bit later. And she was actually out golfing with friends, and this was still able to come in because, as you'll see, this business is automated. Another $900, okay, this morning. So $900 came in for her just like clockwork. $19,458 in 47 days. So now I want to share with you a whiteboard visual representation of this business so you can see how simple and easy this actually is. Now, these are the only 3 simple steps to daily pay. These are the only steps that myself and the people I just shared are doing to generate commissions, okay? Now, step 1 here, step 2 here, and step 3 here. Now, the beautiful thing about this is step 2 and step 3, all of this part is going to be completely done for you. This will be set up with this business, and you can actually access the exact same process that we're using. Now, this right here, okay, is the automated system. So this business is completely passive. Okay, if you wanted to find something, I remember when I used to be a waiter working 10 hours a day on my feet, I was utterly exhausted and I just wanted freedom. I wanted to travel. I wanted to spend more time with my loved ones. And I started searching online for ways to just have freedom, have that abundance, have that ability to work a couple hours in the morning or maybe later in the day, and the rest of the day, I do whatever I want. So with this business, when you go to the link below, you will access an automated system. Now, I'm going to cover step 1 after step 2 and 3 because we have to get the back end, okay, in place. And then the first step is simply getting people through this automated system. Okay, so this automated system you'll get access to is a capture page, which looks something like this. Okay, and I'm sure you've seen one of these online. When you go to the link below, you'll see another version of this page. And what happens is people will put their email in. So you'll be able to get access to this page where all you have to do is share this link with people and they'll put their email in. Now, once they put their email in, they're going to get taken to a couple pages, and then ultimately they'll land on a page that looks something like this, which is what we call a sales page. Okay. Now, the purpose of this page is just to convince people on the benefits and why they need to actually purchase these products. And another amazing thing with this specific online business is you access 100% resale rights to products that you don't even have to create yourself. So you can literally sell these exact products as your own. And when someone buys, okay, so again, this is the sales page. When someone buys from the sales page, you can actually make $100, $300, $600, or $900 instant commissions. Okay, these products, again, are already set up. This automated system is already set up. You can access this entire well-greased machine. Okay, so if you've ever thought about starting a business in the past, maybe you've heard you can own like a franchise, right? Maybe you realized that you can actually earn or own, a McDonald's franchise or a Starbucks. And the problem with that, though, is it can take millions of dollars to invest to own one of those and years to get in profit. But the way those work is it's a done-for-you business in a box. You already know Starbucks is converting, right? It's selling products. You already know that McDonald's is a well-greased, well-oiled machine that pumps out money, right? So this is the same way. I showed you results in the beginning of this video, and those are what people are actually getting access to. These are what people are actually generating, so you know this system and business works, and you can leverage the same exact thing as if it's your own business, okay? So, and then when someone buys, it will go into one of these payment processing methods, okay? Stripe, PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Payoneer. You can choose how you want to get paid. Now, I choose Stripe, okay, because you can actually withdraw it instantly, but you can use whatever you want. And then you just withdraw that to a bank account. Okay, so that is this part here. Another cool thing though, the way it's automated is when someone puts their email into our page, they're also added to a list of emails that start going out one day at a time, sending people back to the sales page. Okay, so it's going to automatically follow up with people. And then when they go to this page and buy, they again will get paid. Okay, and you can see right here, these are an example of email automations, and you can get access to the exact emails that will start following up with your leads for you. And when they decide to buy, when they pull out a credit card and buy, okay, from this page, you actually earn money. And like I said, all they have to do is go down here. There's a $900 level, a $600, $300, and $100. When they purchase, you get paid, okay? Now, if you're watching this, what I recommend you do is you go down to the link below. Okay, it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. You put your best email in. You're going to get much more information, see much more results and how this works. But again, you can also go to the same exact page your prospects will go to, and you can get started at one of the levels as well. Now, when you join, it's a one-time investment, okay? And then there's a one-time investment of $29 on the next page after you purchase, which goes to the website creator. This is how we're able to leverage this exact business. But when you purchase into these levels, not only do you get access to 100% resale rights of the products you own. Okay, so if you can join at the highest level you can sell the highest priced products and make the most amount of money, but also you get access to tons of training. Okay, so each level has video training teaching you how to do step one. Okay, so now what is step one? If we go back here, step two and step three is already done for you. The only thing you need to do is attract your perfect customers and send them your link. Okay, and the way we teach this inside of the program, inside of this business, is by posting ads on high traffic websites and posting 3 pieces of content a day. Okay, you can actually choose one of those. You don't have to do both, but you want to choose one. Let's say you choose to post 3 pieces of content. It can be on Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube. You just want to post this on social media. Now, inside of the training, we teach you, okay? So a lot of people are inside of the training and inside of this program, a lot of people are posting on TikTok. So we teach you, the exact first videos to create, how to grow your following, how to create content, right? If you want to post ads, you're going to learn, we have 200 free ad sites that you can go and you can post your ads on there, right? We have YouTube training. If you want to do YouTube, Pinterest training, Instagram training, okay? So you're going to learn exactly what to do. And when people respond to that content or respond to those ads wanting more information, you just send them to the first link, which is this capture page. You'll send them to something like this. And when they put their email in, everything else is done for you. And you can start to generate these payments just like myself, okay? So I wanted to share with you this online business. It's been working incredibly well for not just me, but people from around the world. Different backgrounds have plugged in and gotten some amazing results. If you want to learn more, or success loves speed, if you're ready to get started, go to the link below, put your best email into my page, and then look out for an email. It's going to be automatically sent to you with much more information, as well as the link to get started. Okay, we also have payment plans if you're in the United States, where you can actually break up those payments into normally 4 easy to pay payments, so you can even get started at the highest level. I hope that made sense, my friend. Comment any questions you may have in the comment section below, and also be sure to subscribe, because I'm going to be posting much more results and steps on how to dominate with this online business. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.